A warm welcome to the 3-day weather forecast from the Nigerian Meteorological Agency. Indices show consistent inflows of moisture into the country. Going into the forecast, we expect isolated thunderstorms to most parts of the coast, extending to the inland cities of the south, part of the north central, and there are chances of isolated thunderstorms to parts of southern Zamfara, Kaduna, Taraba, and Adamawa states. Maximum temperature are expected to get to as high as 43 degrees Celsius over parts of Borno and Adamawa states, while the rest of the north should expect a daytime high between 37 to 43 degrees Celsius. The north central region and the south should expect a maximum temperature between 34 to 37 degrees Celsius. The quality of air should be moderate to good over most parts of the south and the north central region, while the stretch of the north is expected to have an unhealthy air. Monday morning is expected to be mostly cloudy to the south, and to the north and the north central region, patches of cloud with sunshine intervals should prevail. However, there are slim prospects of morning thunderstorms to parts of the Federal Capital Territory, Niger, Cross River, and Akwa Ibom states. Later in the day, the coastal belt of the country should experience widespread thunderstorms, while isolated thunderstorms are anticipated to the inland cities of the south, extending to parts of the north central region, parts of Kaduna and Taraba states. Maximum temperature are expected to slightly drop over the north, as it should range between 38 to 42 degrees Celsius, 34 to 40 degrees Celsius over the north central, and 31 to 34 degrees Celsius over the south. The quality of air should remain unhealthy over the north, as we can see in red coloration, and unhealthy for sensitive group in orange coloration. By Tuesday, which is the third day of our forecast, we expect a very stable morning over most parts of the country, as partly cloudy with spells of sunshine is anticipated over most parts of the country. However, there are slim prospects of morning rains accompanied with thunder to parts of Delta, Rivers, and Bayelsa states. As the day progresses with increased cloudiness, there are better chances of isolated thunderstorms over most parts of the south, extending to parts of Kogi, Benue, and Taraba states. Maximum temperature are expected to remain almost the same over most parts of the country, as it's expected to range between 34 to 43 degrees Celsius across board. The air quality index indicates that most parts of the north should have an unhealthy air, while the north central and the south should have a moderate air in yellow coloration. I am Ese Sampson. I'll see you again.